now. This is from Cheryl in Ohio. After hearing you say Fidelity offers over 4% interest on cash reserves, I called to transfer my traditional IRA to them. When Fidelity explained that it's a money market account and is not guaranteed to not lose money, I was a bit confused. Is this a safe investment for my cash reserves?
For cash reserves. Okay, wonderful question, and one that is confusing. All right. So a money market fund that has a fixed share price of $1 a share is incredibly safe. It does not have FDIC insurance. Don't worry, because if you go into a Fidelity money market account that is a U.S. Treasury fund or a government securities fund, and this would also be true at Vanguard or Schwab, the big three of financial houses in the United States that are not full commission brokerages. You don't want to be with a full commission brokerage. Any bank-related brokerage, don't want to be with. You will be earning in this general territory 4-point-something% fixed share price, and you'll be in the safest of all securities, which is treasuries or government securities. And it is, if you're in a regular money market fund that is set at $1 a share price, it is as safe could be. There were problems, when was it? Was it 12, 15 years ago? I'm trying to remember. There was one money fund that had some problems, and it looked like people might lose 1% of their money.
Don't they call that breaking the buck?
Breaking the buck. And there were new rules put into place and then continuing tightening of the regulations that have made it ultra safe for people buying the $1 a share fund. So I have my money in them, although I actually have my money in a tax-free municipal, because if you're at a higher tax bracket, that's a better place to be. And I sleep well at night knowing that these obligations are ultra short term and I'm not worried about them breaking the buck. As I read a recent article about this, I thought it was very interesting. It was like, yeah, so they'd probably not be able to keep that promise if there was nuclear war. And isn't it funny how I say, the end of the earth is the end of the earth,
right,
but nothing else is?
Mm-hmm.
Nuclear war would be the one circumstance I could tell you that none of these rules apply. Other than that, you're fine in the Fidelity cash reserves money fund at $1 a share price.